so we're going to do a new video about how to build a step here in Bucks County, Pennsylvania. This is not the proper way for a step that will last. Okay, so the first step will be install approximately 6 to 8 inches of 3/4 modified stone on top of a geotextile fabric. Once that's compacted, we will level this area out with sand and start our stone base. So now what we're going to do is square up and install our first block as a base of our steps. Once we square it up and we level them out with the proper measurement that we will need to meet the proper height underneath the door. Now that your base course has been installed, this entire area will be underneath ground level. So now what you'll see is we have begun installing the 6-inch matrix block by Cambridge, and all block has some imperfections in it. So when you run a 4-foot level over it and then you get a little bit of movement, the easiest way that we have in the past grind this down is by a demo saw, level it out a little bit so your next course that goes higher will not have any imperfections in it. So this is the proper way to build a step. Patio height's going to be about 4 inches up on this block because it's going to be a 2-inch bluestone, which will give you 6-inch block, another 4 inches underground, with an additional 8 inches of stone base underneath here, which means that this never moves. Now, this entire thing is base. As you can see, the amount of block as we step up and up and up, your finished height will be up here, filled with stone, pavers, bluestone, bluestone, bluestone. Bluestone's only 2 inches, caps are 3 inches. If you use a cap, then you would go a little bit deeper on the base so that you have a true 6-7 inches of block underneath, which will allow for never any settlement. Done. This is it, the proper way. Now that all the block has been installed, we'll sweep in a little sand or whatever material to tighten it up. You'll see some landscape wire was cut through the block for future lights that we're going to be putting on prior to installing our bluestone. Next step would be lights, and then we will install our bluestone treads for a finished step. So a final review of the project. This is a nice block step built to last through the winters of Bucks County.